Let's dive into the world of mathematical proof. It's all about how mathematicians establish truth. We'll explore different methods, including direct proof, indirect proof, and proof by contradiction. So, what exactly is a mathematical proof? It's a logical sequence of statements that establishes the truth of a mathematical claim. This sequence uses accepted axioms, which are basic assumptions and previously proven results, building a solid, irrefutable argument. Let's begin with direct proof. The approach here is straightforward. Start with the given assumptions or premises. Then apply logical steps to move from those assumptions towards your desired conclusion. If you can successfully link the assumptions to the conclusion using logic, you have a direct proof. Let's illustrate with an example. The theorem we want to prove is, if n is even, then n squared is even. Here's how a direct proof would work. First, we are given that n is even. Then, by the definition of even numbers, we can say that n equals 2k for some integer k. Now let's square n. N squared then equals 2k whole squared, which simplifies to 4k squared, which can be written as 2 times 2k squared. Since 2k squared is an integer, n squared equals 2 times an integer and is therefore even. Hence proved. Now let's explore indirect proof. In this method, instead of directly proving a statement, you prove its contrapositive. The contrapositive is formed by negating and reversing the hypothesis and conclusion of the original statement. So, if you want to prove that if P, then Q, you instead prove that if not Q, then not P. If you can successfully prove the contrapositive, you have indirectly proven the original statement. Here's an example of indirect proof. Suppose we want to prove, if n squared is odd, then n is odd. The contrapositive of this statement is, if n is even, then n squared is even. We will prove the contrapositive. Assume that n equals 2k for some integer k. Then n squared equals 2k whole squared, which equals 4k squared, which can be written as 2 times 2k squared. Therefore, n squared is even, proving the contrapositive, and thus proving the original statement. Finally, let's discuss proof by contradiction. This method involves assuming the opposite of what you want to prove. Then, you show that this assumption leads to a logical contradiction. If the assumption leads to a contradiction, it must be false, and therefore the original statement must be true. The presence of a contradiction validates your claim. Let's consider a classic example, proving that the square root of 2 is irrational. Assume the opposite, which is the square root of 2 can be written as p over q, where p and q are integers in their lowest terms, meaning they have no common factors other than 1. Then 2 equals p squared over q squared, so 2q squared equals p squared. Therefore, p squared is even, which implies that p itself is even. Now let p equals 2k, then 2q squared equals 4k squared, so q squared is even. But this leads to a contradiction because both p and q are even, meaning they have a common factor of 2, which contradicts our initial assumption that p and q are in their lowest terms. Therefore, the square root of 2 is irrational. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.